Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another video at Copart here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and we are having all kinds of fun. Kind of a dreary day, but we're not letting us get down because of the weather. We have so many cool cars, new ones, old ones, fancy Hondas, so-so Audis, all kinds of cars you're going to find out here. So we're just going to jump right in and we're going to find something that strikes our fancy and we're going to tell you all about it. We're going to begin with the 2013 Cadillac XTS. Love, love, love the look of this car. Although this one kind of reminds me of a hearse. I don't know why. They just do. The rounded front, and it's the same thing on the hearse. Maybe I've just been seeing a lot of hearses lately. Anyway, on this car, they have the damage almost fixed. No, they don't. They have actually just cut it off, cut out part of the car so you can see the damage, and then they listed everything you need. So you need 10 rivets, repair and inspect the exhaust. You have 4 hours working on the lift gate, and you have 8 hours on the inner wheelhouse and a new sound deadener. They've cut it out for you. They say this is going to take 8 hours to fix. I think I could do that in like 30 minutes. Just bang it. Just give me it, because you're never going to see it, okay? You're never going to see it, and I think your wheel arch should protect it. But it's cool to look inside. Look how everything is protected and how everything kind of goes together. Look at how thin the metal is. Yeah, that is not very thin at all. And yep, that's a train. Okay, so we need 8 hours on that. We need 4 hours on the lift gate. Where is that? Where's the 4 hours you need on the lift gate? This? I don't see anything. I wouldn't even touch all that stuff. I wouldn't even touch it. You need your trim piece and your trim piece. And that's it. And the tail light. And I love how they do the tail lights, how they kind of come out like this. Psh, very old school. Yeah. This was a beautiful car. Okay, you need the bottom little plastic piece on the door right there as well. But all of your parts, okay, we have power. That's good. This is something I don't know. There's your rocker panel. They just kind of put it in right there. So let me see if I can share my seat with the rocker panel. Excuse me, coming in, and let's just see what happens. Of course she's gonna drive. What is that? Why is there a, what does this say? Tire pressure low in the front. Add air. Okay. Side detection system, dismiss that. 145 miles left in the fuel tank, 122,000 miles. This is nice. I kind of like the brown and the light brown and the almost wood tones. Yeah, that is plasticky wood, but you do have it. And they're listening to my cousin, Garth Brooks, right there. Yeah, so many people think I'm his older brother. I wish I was his older brother. My whole neighborhood thinks I'm his older brother. Ah! They can go ahead and think that. I'm not going to correct them. This is nice. This is an easy fix. And look at the headlights. Look at this. That's gorgeous. Where's the... There we go. V6 VVT direct injection. Everything is covered up by the plastic piece right there. But she started. You know she's going to run and drive. You got your fuel, your oil filter right there, power steering, everything sounds fine. She's just really dirty. I love this. I need a Cadillac in my life. I really, 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 really do. What do you think about it? I don't know what it's going to go for. This could scare some people off, but for idiots like me, no big deal. Have somebody go to the junkyard and cut one out, weld it in after you take a hammer to this part, and you're good to go. Okay, I think this is still, that's still good. Your clips are still attached. So this would not be a difficult fix at all. Or they may have taken all the electronics and stuff out of this. They're taking a lot of stuff out of that. Okay. but I like the color, I like the interior, I like the shape, and it's a Cadillac. Buy American, folks. Buy American. It's dirty, it'll need some cleaning. We've seen worse cars. Boy, have we seen worse cars than this. This is something I'm going to consider. Could this be my new daily driver? Would I ever give up a Mercedes S-Class as a daily driver from the 90s? I don't know. I'm tempted. Going super old school today. She's been lowered and painted and gussied up. And then something happened. 1975 GMC Jimmy. Remember these? Yep. Remember these. She has been lowered. She has been fixed up. She has been redone. I kind of like the wheels. I really do. The paint. That was a nice paint job back in the day. Did they even do the inside of the? They did. Yep. Oh, well, okay, so we have a little scratch right here. Instead of chroming her, they painted her. And do you remember these? Yeah, you used to have to do this to raise the window, and then it would fold back up. Oh my gosh, back in the day. This one, as you can see, is a little askew, which isn't good. I mean, it's been raining here for the whole week. Let me show you the damage. I do. I like the wheels, the big old wheels, the lowered stance. This was nice. Somebody did spend some money. I guess it used to be white. Right there. Here's the damage. You need a fender. Look at the Bondo. Look at the Bondo right here. Okay, she may have been in rough shape when they painted her. Maybe she was red before she was white. And then green. Yeah, that's what you need. They just got the battery sitting right in there. There's your engine, which has been, looks like, replaced. I don't know, 350? Who knows? I don't know. And you need some headlights. But I want to show you the inside because she's been sitting for a while. And remember this? The top could come off, like the old Ford Broncos. Yeah, but look, nobody has been in here for many, well, someone tried to sit there for a long time. Man, but they did. Look at the stitching on the seats. Look at the cool steering wheel. Yeah, she's not going to do anything. Yeah, wow. Okay, this is something I'm not interested in, but if you're into old school, like old school Broncos, this might be something you'd like. It just needs maybe some wiring. Look at that. Yeah, she needs some wiring. A huge detail job. A windshield, a fender, some paint. How are you going to match this? That's going to be fun to match. Once again, you can see the Bondo. So the white is the Bondo. I guess she was red back in the day. But just look at the dust. That is sad to see. It really is. There you go. And it doesn't even close quite right. What's wrong? Yeah, there's some other issues here. There's a little bubble right there. All right, 75 GMC Jimmy. We're going to move on, but she was good looking back in the day. I'm going to let everybody watching make the call on this 2017 Jaguar. I think it's a good looking car. I do. I really do. And it's a sportman's car right there. You can see they have the roof rack. I guess those are for bicycles. Yeah, this is the XE in black, but the damage, I don't know if this is a game changer. You need a door. You need two doors. But this right here, that could be a problem because you're going to have to weld something in there. Same thing over here. And then this is just a bumper issue right here. Okay, so you need some tail lights, a rear bumper, some little scuffs, nothing major. This is not major. None of this is major. I do like this. I really do like this. And the tires have tread. Okay? It looks worse than it really is, I think. But this is a good looking car, and I've always wanted one like, okay, I want one of everything. I hate to say that, but this was a good looking car back in the day. And you get your bumper right there. So how about that? There is your bumper. Inside, ooh, black and black. There it is. Repaired the bumper. I don't know how much damage is in there. To me, right here, it doesn't look like a whole lot of damage. I don't think there is. So you don't even need a bumper. This is something that you can fix with a little plastic welding right there and maybe some paint. So let's call off the bumper. Let's just say the metal work here. Why does this not close well? There it is. Yeah. And what's it like up here? Oh, this is nice. Oh, it says low battery, please start the engine. So we need to do that real quick. Oh yeah. She sounds good. Climate outside, 176 degrees. Oh, I don't want to back the seat up too much because I got a rear seat passenger right there. Okay, that's all right. Air conditioning. This is the defrost. Turn that off. AC is on. Why is this on high? I don't want high. Come on. Here we go. Boy, they changed this a lot. And look how this came up to let us know we're ready to go into drive. And here's your wheel lock. Right there. Oh, this is nice. 81,000 miles. It's smaller on the inside than it would seem. And look how they did this. It kind of goes around here and then it wraps over this. And you get a little space between here. That's kind of stylish. Thought I felt a little shimmy in the engine. I didn't. It's just a lot of black plastic up here. Lots and lots of black plastic. And you get a little bitty sunroof. Okay. Fuel level is low. 5% fuel. Ignition is on, of course. Left front door open. Yes, sir. Hood is open. Yes, sir. That's it. As far as issues, menu. Okay. 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 That's nice. Oh, we are almost out of fuel. We are really almost out of fuel. Press screen to continue. There it is. And go back home. Well, I declare, what do you think about this? Do you like this? This is a 2017 Jaguar XE. And it feels like it's, I don't think that's leather. That feels kind of vinylish to me. In a way, it's not what a Jaguar used to be. Or a Jaguar used to be. It's just not. It's nice. They're trying to be stylish, but the quality is just not the same. I can just tell. It's just not. All right, what do you think about the car? Let me know. And here's something, yep, for the Chevy guys. Check this out. This, of course, is an old Monte Carlo. Look at the patina. All right, nice way to call rust. Yeah, this is from 1972. And you know what? You put super glossy clear over this paint, and that would be gorgeous. That's just the perfect patina to present itself. Yes, this is a cool car. I was walking towards something else and I saw this and I thought, you know what? That brings back memories. These old wheels with the radial TAs bring back memories. Look at this. Oh, body-wise, we do have some issues right here. Not much, but like this stuff, clear this, it would be gorgeous. It really would be. A lot of this stuff will come out. If you want to shine up the chrome, I don't know if it runs and drives. Probably not. But look, old school crank windows. Green over green over green. Yeah, and look at the wood grain dash. Woo, dog. That's pretty. That is really pretty. I don't think there's... Yeah, I don't think. But this, wow, recover the seats, put in bucket seats. That would be kind of cool. Your old JVC radio right there. Holy guacamole. Let's look at the engine and see what's going on right there. Let's see, what is this? These are the floor vents, if I remember right? Yeah. Here's your hood pull. Ugh, I can't. Well, I don't want to break anything. Did this just come to an end? Here you go. Yeah, okay, hold on, I'll be back. I can't get the hood open. I can't, I need like a screwdriver or something to kind of get under there. So we're just gonna have to sit back and enjoy the view. How cool would that be with a super glossy clear over it? That would be gorgeous. All these little things would start to shine. I'm being very positive, remember? Yeah. Woo, back in the day, 72 Monte Carlo. Yep, Mikey likes this. I just wish I could get the hood open. Okay, well, that's gonna do it for the money. And that's gonna do it for the video, folks. This is a cool old truck, by the way. I just saw. Just want to do a quick little walk around. As I say, thank you for watching. Oh, wow. Okay. Thanks for subscribing. And I can't get in. Is it locked? Well, I think my luck just ran out. Look at this. What is it, 4 on the floor, 3 on the tree? An old Ford. That's what I need. That's what I need in my driveway right here. Make all the neighbors really, really, really happy. There we go. There it is. Wow. You could fix her up and she'd be nice. Sounds like a tin can in here, that's why. Holy moly, I bet she's loud as can be. Yeah, okay. And there's, I guess, a gas tank and a old gas tank and a new gas tank. Yeah. All right, thanks for your service. There it is. Okay, and thank you guys for watching. We are back with another video very, very soon. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, okay? Give me a couple of likes, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you don't like it, and leave a comment. I do try to read all the comments and respond to those that are witty and particularly nice, all right? Have a good day, everybody. We'll see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.